Range Breaker X-PRO.
Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening, whatever you're hearing me. This is Payman, FS Club Traders, guys. Yeah, what a wonderful day, guys. Come close, guys. There's a very powerful opportunity, powerful EA that I'm about to introduce to you guys. I've been on my channel traveling the names and posting the banner and the names and other things on the channel for some days or some weeks now. I've been on this project since 2025. Okay, trying to perfect it, trying to make sure that all the questions, all the errors and everything I've been gotten from people, from subscribers and traders is completed on this EA. Guys, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the notification button and share this video for other traders to benefit from it, because this is powerful. Then if you are on Facebook, please follow. There's a link below this video that you can as well join my Telegram channel where everything is happening. Okay, this robot is called TITANTREND X-PRO 2026. This is TITANTREND X-PRO Ai. Okay, this robot it has a lot of key features. The feature on this robot is massive. So this video is going to have at least part 1, part 2 and so on. Please, if you want to really know how this robot works, don't skip any part of this video. I don't care if this video is long, but I want you to follow me so I can explain everything. Let me show you why I'm saying this. Let me just show you something here. This is the EA. This is the EA. Let me draw this down before I come back to the back test and the rest. Look at the EA here, right? This is the EA, and this EA you are seeing here right now, you can see that it has a lot of features, and I'm going to explain it one by one to you guys. I might not finish everything, but I'm going to run a commentary on how these ones be, but I'm going to have other videos to teach you guys how you can be profitable on this EA. This EA can, let's go here. So if you are just watching, please stay tuned and let's dive into this video properly. All right, so don't forget to follow me and like and share and hit the notification button. Also join my Telegram channel. If you don't join there, you will not get information about this EA. And good news is that this EA is being launched today. It's launching today. So if you want to get this EA, make sure I have 3 admins on the channel where you can contact any of them and they will attend to you. So let me show you something here. Let's start here. You see this EA, let me show you something again on this picture. If you look at this picture, this is the final stage. This is the blueprint when we started it. Okay, when you look at this, this is when I change it to Gold Titan Sniper EA. But look at the first name here. Let me show you the first name. I think okay, this is where it started, and look at the name, Titan Sniper EA, and it continue like that. Until I come to this TITANTREND X-PRO. Why do I call it TITANTREND X-PRO? This EA filter the trend in the market and follow. Okay, so it has crossing, entering. It has a lot of feature. If you look at this side on this key feature, you see all power trend following algorithm, high accuracy trade entrance, advanced risk management system, dynamic recovery mode, news and section filter. That means it has news filter where you can off the news and on the news. If you want it to trade the news, you can as well use it to trade the news. And it has trading section, which is London section, New York section, Asia section, and so on. Then the sixth one, he said break even and trailing stop, Profem rules compliance, fully customized input, MT5 optimized performance. Okay, everything I just mentioned now is on this EA. This is Titan X-PRO AI, is a next generational expert advisor built with advanced all logic and intelligent trend following technology designed for consistency, precision, and performance in all market conditions. This is a very powerful EA, guys. Let me take you down to the settings so you will understand. All right, so before I go to the settings, let me show you the backtest of $200. I just finished the backtest. Okay, these are the settings. Then look at the backtest. Wow, look at this. This is just 1 month backtest with $200 deposit. Is ranking and is making $1,096 extra profit. That is how many percent? That is wonderful. That is powerful. That is powerful. That is powerful. So guys, this EA, if can use so many futures, let's use this place to interpret all the futures. Now when you look at here, let's go. No, let me use this. Let me use the chart. Okay, this is the EA. When you bring it out like this, when you get this EA, remember it was the EA that had this dashboard here. This is what they call dashboard panel. Okay, so you can see Titan X-PRO AI. It said trades today 0, daily profit 0, because I just put it now for me to do what? For me to explain to you guys. Now spread 25. Everything is on this A. Status active. Now number 1, this is mode. This is select mode. You understand? If you double click here like this, you will see a drop down menu. Now when you look at this drop down menu, you will see dynamic mode buy, fixed mode buy, fixed mode buy and sell. Okay, you can use any of these options to trade on this EA. Guys, please listen very carefully. Don't rush on this video. Just take your champagne, take your bottled water, sit carefully, recharge your data, and follow me step by step, because we are talking about making money in forex market. So if you rush to skip the video and come back to my DM to ask me anything, I will not answer you, because I am breaking it down to you guys right now. Okay, if you select dynamic mode buy, then what are you going to do? As you select it this way, you click on load. When you click on load, it will take you to where you put. There's a video I'm going to attach to this video. It will teach you how to create a preset folder where you can put your preset set files. When installing the video, you are going to upload it direct to the robot. You make your choice of trading and you start trading. Now this robot, okay, now we have chosen dynamic mode version. Then just double click it. Then it has changed every setting here already. Immediately I click it, has changed every setting. Let me show you something again. Okay, let me use my arrow here. Let me show you something. When you look here now, you will see, you see force, right? You will see force here, and you will see Abby. Okay, then let me go back and choose another mode. Let me choose fixed mode. You see nothing changed, but let's go back and load it. So when you choose it, you load it. Fixed mode buy, you can see that he has changed the force now to true. You see, immediately I load it, you can see it has become true. So that's what I'm saying, I'm telling you. So you must get this 3 set file if you are getting the EA. guys. So now let me explain to you right now. This number one, you will first of all select the mode that you want to trade with. If you want to trade dynamic mode, what is dynamic mode? If you are trading with dynamic mode, I'm using my arrow right now. If you are trading with dynamic, if you select this dynamic mode, let's go back to dynamic mode first. Then before I come to this, okay. So if you are trading with dynamic mode, that means you are asking the EA to do what? To do a selection of loss size for you. He will look into your account and trade according to the percentage you put on this dynamic mode. Let me show you something. When you set dynamic mode, then you have already disabled fixed lot, which loss size. Look at loss size 0.01. You have disabled this. Okay, you have disabled this. You have disabled this. This is where I'm coming to that. That's why I said this video might be long and I'm going to have part 1, part 2. I'm going to explain it differently. Now, if you are, because you are using dynamic mode right now, this is what we are going to activate. See it here. True. Use risk percent. Now, when you are using the use risk percent, which is this one is true now, and you now come to this and look at it. It said account risk percent. That means you are going to be trading with 0.5% on your account. If your account is $200, if your account is $500, if your account is any account size, your loss size is 0.50. You can make it 0.20 or 0.30. You can make it 1%. You can make it 5%. Like if you are trading with a pro firm account, you can calculate your pro firm account and put the percentage you want to use for to be knocked out or hit the maximum daily drawdown, or even the overall max drawdown. So now that is the loss size. If you are using the what they call it, if you are using this dynamic mode, this is your loss size. So the loss size said account risks percent. So on this aspect, then after this, then look at another place you need to look at it. See, 8R multiplier SL. This is where the magic will start. This one will be dragging your stop loss. You understand? Once you're on a profit, you'll be dragging your stop loss going up, going down. Dynamically it will be following the trend. As the trend, the robot is going up, I mean your profit is going up, then this place will be activated automatically. This one will be activated automatically on the chart. It will drag your stop loss down to your profit and begin to follow the trade like a trail. It's different from a trailing stop. We still have trailing stop and fixed trailing stop here, and break even all is in this boat. All right, so now this is the automatic one. All right, I might be doing video one by one to do it. Let me run down this one first so that we don't be too much long. Now the next thing, you come here and set. Okay, we have when you choose it, this one, because you are using only buy, remember. So this is enable sell trade is false because you are using buy. Now this is use max daily drawdown, true. So you can input your own max daily drawdown here, but this setting works for $200 account perfectly. That's what I used to run this back test. Okay, I know why I put it this way, so that your SL will give the trade a space to make profit, so that the dynamic trend can activate and you make enough profit on that account. Now when we go down, you look at another important place here. This is this place, max trade per day. If you want this robot to place, keep on trading, maybe you trade like if you enter loss or profit, you keep on opening trade. You understand? Like in a day you can trade like 20 trade or 30 trade as you see the signal. You understand? You can trade up to that. But this one, I put 3 trades per day. Once the 3 trades finish, what will happen here? Look at this side. This your status here will be blocked. Here will be right blocked. If you wake up in the morning and you place another trade, even before 12 noon or even before 8 o'clock, you have exhausted this 3 trade, you will not trade again. The robot will be off till the next day. You will not trade again. Then this max open trade means what I put one means when a signal is met on this EA, the robot will open just 1 trade. But if you put more than 1 trade here, the robot will open as many trades you have opened, put it here. If you put like 10 trade, it will open 10 trade at a go. All right, so that is the meaning of this place. You can see that this robot has everything we are looking for. Now let's go back, let's go down. Okay, look at this place. This cooldown minutes, you might not understand the meaning. Let me explain it to you. Cooldown minutes means if robot could put a trade now and there's another signal coming in for him for the robot to trade. If you put it for 60 or 100, it will wait and cool down first before entering into. It might even miss that signal and wait for another time because of this minutes here. But I put it for that. You can even put it for 15 minutes. You understand? You can put it for 15 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes. But the default setting of I'm using for this now is 30 minutes. 60 minutes is the main default setting. I brought it down to 30 minutes. So it gives the robot space to breathe before putting another trade. That is the cooldown minutes. Now this is risk reward normal. When your robot is encountering loss, this is where it start recovering the trade. It's a risk reward recovery. You understand? So if let's say now you use 0. Let me use this. Let's say you use 0. Sorry, where's the marker here? So let's say now you use 0.0, then 0.01. If you start loss, it will not matter. It will still use the same 0.01 to place a trade, but the gap of the trade, this is your entry trade, this is your stop loss. But when it started, because of this aspect, this recovering reward ratio, your entry will be like this and your trade will be down here. Then your SCL, the TP will be up so that it will be able to recover your loss. This robot did not martingale. It's not a martingale robot. It's not a greedy robot. A greed robot. It doesn't multiply loss size. Why? I did it because of ProFirm, so that people can use it to. I used it past 1 ProFirm yesterday. This robot in a twinkle of eyes. It passed 1 ProFirm yesterday. So now the second one, let's go down. This is the second enable recovery boost. This is another one that will make robot to recover fast. Okay, this is another option. You might not understand everything here, all right, but when it robot begin to work, you understand what I have created for you guys. Now let's go down. I cannot explain everything today finish. I might do more videos for more clarification, but what I'm doing now, for most of you that want to start using to trade now, this is enough for you to understand the EA. Just calm down and follow this video step by step. Now when you look at this place, you will see, let me show you. When you look here, you will see break even. This is spread. Okay, so this is spread, max spread point, which is 300 pips. You understand? So this spread now is for gold. If you are trading other instrument, other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, every other one like Nasdaq and US 30, any other one like boom and crash. This robot can trade every other instrument, every instrument. It can trade every pair, okay, both boom and crash and anything, but it depends for you to get the normal setting of that particular one and input here. It will start making money for you. So now, but this is for this spread now is for gold. For gold, most of us that trade gold, you must know that gold spread is more higher. If it is Euro USD, it might be, we'll be talking about using 30, you understand, we might be using about 30 points, that is 30 pips, or you understand, or 40 pips, you understand, spread. So that is for spread. If the gold now go wide, having about maybe 800 spread point or 500 or 400, the robot will not place a trade because the market is volatile and wide. That is the reason of this, guys. So now we come down to trailing, fixed trailing distance, you understand, and the trailing stop. So now if you look at this place, this portion here, we look at here from the spread zone, we'll come down here. This is where we have use trailing stop. Yes, true. Use fixed trailing force. Then if you put this one for true, that means we are going to set the steps and the point here, okay. But I put it, most of us that know how to do, I'm going to do video again on that, but I'm showing you this is the trailing start here. This is the point. That it means if you, before this one can be active, this one is not active now. If you want it to be active, then that means you double click here and change this one to true, right? So then let's go down. Then when you come down here, you will see the dashboard panel. This dashboard panel is this, okay. If you are doing your back test, please remove this, make it false, all right, make it false so that it will not drag. If you want to backtest the EA to see how it works before you can put it on your account, then please put this false so that it will not be slow when you are doing your backtest. So it will only show you the backtest filter. Now when you come down here, you will see Asian section, you understand, I mean, you see use section filter. That means it's asking if you want to trade only New York section. You can do that here. This is London section hour, this is London section start hour and end hour, then New York start hour, and this New York end hour. You can set the time for robot to start trading at that moment. If you don't want to trade any other section, you can filter this thing here and use only the section that you want to use. Then we come down here, you see use news section, I mean filter. This is news filter, it's off already, it's off. So we have NFA, NFP news, we have CPI news, we also have FOMC news. All is what? False. Or less, if you want to trade the EA with the news, you can put them true. That means you have activated the robot to trade on time of news, right? When you come down here, we are still going down. When you also come down here, you will see the time frame here. This time frame is dynamic. You can as well search for any other time, but this particular one, this setting is, every other setting here now is still 15 minutes. All right, so I can still in the future and bring other settings for maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour or 5 minutes or 1 minute, but this is the setting for this set file we are using right now. All right, so when you look at here, if you are trading news also, let me come back here. If you are trading news also, then apart from trading news, let me explain this part to you. You see this, news block before minutes and news block after minutes. So since if the news, if you even though you on this thing, the robot will automatically block, off 30 minutes before the news will strike, and 30 minutes after the news have strike, it will come back live and start trading on your account. These are the futures on this EA, guys. These are the futures on this EA. There's a lot of futures that I'm going to continue introducing and explaining more to you guys. Okay, right? So now if you want to choose buy and sell, you choose, if you want to choose buy fixed mode, buy and sell, then as I've choose it like this, I will go and pick it up here and come. You can see this one I've activated, this one I've activated, and this one has activated. So you understand? So these are the way to use this EA. For now, there's a lot of settings on this EA that as you are using it, you will understand them one after the other. I will be introducing more videos on this EA, guys. So when you look at this place right now, you will see the breakdown of the backtest on $200 account. All right, you can see it there, making $1,096 extra in 1 month. Okay, guys. So let me show you something. Let me just run this one and buy and sell. Okay, let me use buy and sell this time. Then let's come here, activate buy, sell position. Okay, so let's run it this way and see how it goes. You can see the graph. Yeah, let's go back and run it and test on buy and sell right now. So let's use buy and sell. Let me just fast it because of our time. We're already on 1,900, almost $2,000 with $200. Let's continue. You can see. So guys, now we have made $1,600 from $200 deposit on this. Wow, can you see that? Can you see? So now we have made extra $1,400 in 1 month with $200 on this EA. This is the highest EA we have been. In fact, if you don't get this EA, you are just missing. If you don't have this EA, you are just missing. This is top notch. This is the highest of all. This is highest of all. Everything you are looking for. Risk management is there for ProFirm. You can see it. Risk managed, ProFirm ready. You can see it, all powered smart decision, trend following, maximum potential. Everything is on this EA. I've explained it to you guys. So guys, I want you to make sure that you watch this video to the end so that you don't skip and come back to my DM for questions. That's why I take time to explain this. I will be uploading the various of videos concerning the EA, right? So guys, so I love you guys. I want you to make sure that you get this EA. This EA has stop loss, it has take profit, it has trend following future dynamic, it has trailing stop, it has recovering future, it have boost recovering future, it have 2 types of recovering future. You can see a robot that has stop loss and take profit. Everything, your account is in your hand, not blowing your account or whatever. And it has a maximum to, if you don't want the robot to over trade, you can put just how many trade they want to trade in a day and they trade and close. So I have other videos that I can explain the innermost part of this EA, the operation, how did I will be uploading the video and showing the operation live. You'll be seeing it live. So guys, thank you very much. My name remains P Man FS BreakEven Traders. I'm doing this video today and this robot has been launched. If you want to get this robot, hit me on my DM. God bless you and bye for now.